I want to start by just kind of getting the basic feel of Gmail. So one of the things you'll notice is that this is set up similar to others. Over here on the side I have my table of contents. And if we go all the way over to the right, you see your settings menu, your gear cog there. That's where we get to the settings, which we'll explore later. And then down in the bottom here, of course, these are where your emails reside. We're going to start by clicking on the Compose button. And that's going to take us to another window which allows us to create a new email. Now I'm going to start by just typing in my name. And what you'll notice is that because I've actually sent an email to myself, it pops up. And this will happen with you as well. The first time you send an email message, it may not pop up, but after that it will. I have my CC, my carbon copy, and blind carbon copy options, so I can include individuals on that as well. And then of course the subject line and then the body of the email. So if I type in a quick little short text piece here and go down to the bottom, you'll see my formatting tools. And what you'll notice is that there are several tools there. If you haven't explored these lately, there's a lot more now than there used to be. My first one is formatting options, where I can take and I can change the size of my text. I can change the actual font and bold, italics, underline, and so on. So there's lots of different features and things that I can do within my email simply by clicking on the formatting tool. I can also attach files, so I can attach by clicking here. It opens up a new window that allows me to get to my different files. I can also just drag a file from my desktop up onto here. I can insert a file using Google Drive, send and request money from Google Wallet, insert photos, links, and emoticons. So from there, you can do lots of different things within Gmail that allow you to customize it to be sent off to different individuals. So just give these a try. Most of you have probably seen lots of these. If not, give them a try and see what you come up with. One of the other features I like about Gmail is the draft option. So let's say I'm working on an email message and I have a student that comes up that needs help and I don't want them to necessarily see the body of this email. I simply click and close. Now if I hover over that, notice it says save and close. When I close that, basically what it does is it throws it into that draft folder over here. To go back to that message, I simply click on this label here. You notice I have two drafts that I'm working on. I'm going to click on this one to open it back up, and I'm back to where I started. So it's a very easy, simple way to just close a message and come back to it as a draft. Now if I open this folder and I see some items that I don't want, I can get rid of those in one of two ways. If I click on it to open it, I have a little garbage can down here that says discard draft. Or if I'm in this view, I can simply select it and my discard draft item is here. So it's a very easy way to start a message, close it, and then come back to it without having to start typing all over again.